Okay, so the feed rate is at 1.8%. That means each press of the jog is supposed to move it 0.01 of a millimeter. So I've got, now watch. So we've gone up 0.1. Now we're going to test the backlash and go back 0.1. Now we'll go forward again 0.1. Now we'll go back 0.1. So there's like a 0.005 inaccuracy, but then if I go forward again 0.1, it seems to iron itself out, and then I go back 0.1. So I can't tell if there's backlash or there's just a phantom error for the most part. I think if I set it so that I go forward and backwards 0.1 of a millimeter about 100 times, and then see what eventually the zero on this matches up to the baseline of that, divided by 100, that's probably the backlash. But I'm convinced from what I've seen so far that if there is backlash, it's got to be less than 0.01 at this point, which is really fantastic considering most professional CNC machines have a fine tolerance of plus or minus 0.05 anyhow. So very impressive so far.